Have you ever looked at a medical bill and thought, how is this even real? You're not the only one. In the United States, a simple hospital visit can cost thousands of dollars. And without insurance, that number could easily multiply. Health insurance exists to protect you from this kind of financial shock. But what exactly is it? How does it work? And how can you make sure you're not overpaying or undercovered? Let's break it down, simply and clearly. Health insurance is a financial agreement between you and an insurance company. You pay them a monthly fee, called a premium, and in return, they help pay for your medical expenses when you get sick, injured, or even for preventive care. Instead of paying hundreds or thousands of dollars for a doctor's visit or surgery, you share those costs with your insurance provider. Sounds simple, right? But there's more to understand. Let's talk about a few key terms that confuse a lot of people. First, premium. This is the amount you pay each month just to keep your coverage active. You pay it whether you visit the doctor or not. Second, deductible. This is the amount you have to pay out of pocket every year before your insurance kicks in fully. For example, if you have a $2,000 deductible, you must pay this amount first before your insurance starts covering larger costs. Then there's the copay, a fixed fee you pay when you go to a doctor or pick up a prescription. Like $25 for a doctor visit or $10 for a generic drug. And don't forget coinsurance. This is the percentage you pay after you meet your deductible. Let's say your coinsurance is 20%. That means for a $1,000 medical bill, you pay $200 and your insurance pays the rest. Lastly, there's the out-of-pocket maximum. This is the most you will ever pay in 1 year. Once you hit that number, your insurance covers 100% of eligible costs for the rest of the year. Understanding these basics helps you avoid expensive surprises. But the real question is, why is health insurance so important? The answer is simple. Medical care in the US is extremely expensive. A broken arm can cost over $5,000. A night in the hospital? Easily $10,000 or more. Without insurance, these costs can quickly turn into crushing debt. In fact, medical debt is one of the top reasons Americans file for bankruptcy. Health insurance doesn't just help you pay bills, it gives you access to better care, more options, and peace of mind. Now let's explore the types of health insurance plans you might see. An HMO, or health maintenance organization, usually requires you to choose a primary doctor and get referrals to see specialists. It's cheaper, but more limited. A PPO, or preferred provider organization, offers more flexibility. You can see any doctor, including out-of-network, without referrals, but you'll pay more for that freedom. EPOs, or exclusive provider organizations, are like HMOs but without referral requirements. The catch? No out-of-network coverage at all. Choosing the right plan depends on your health needs, budget, and preferences. Some plans are better for families. Others work great for freelancers or young, healthy individuals. So where can you actually get health insurance? If you work full-time, your employer might offer coverage. Many jobs include insurance as a benefit. If not, you can use the government marketplace at healthcare.gov. Here, you can compare different plans and even get subsidies if your income qualifies. There's also Medicaid, a state and federal program for people with low income, and Medicare, for seniors and some disabled individuals. If you're self-employed or don't qualify for public programs, you can buy insurance directly from private companies too. But before you choose a plan, be careful. Many people make costly mistakes. Mistake 1. Picking the cheapest premium without checking the deductible or out-of-pocket max. That cheap monthly cost could mean huge bills later. Mistake 2. Not checking the provider network. If your doctor isn't in network, you might pay full price, no help from insurance. Mistake 3. Missing the open enrollment window. Most people can only sign up during a specific time of year unless you have a qualifying life event, like losing your job. getting married, or having a baby, and finally, overlooking mental health coverage. Today, many plans include therapy, counseling, and psychiatric care, but you have to make sure it's included. At the end of the day, health insurance can feel complicated. You're not just buying coverage. You're buying protection, peace of mind, and access to care that could save your life, or your savings. So, whether you're new to health insurance, switching plans, or just trying to understand what you already have, take your time. Read the fine print. Ask questions, and remember, here on Claim Clarity, we break it down so you don't have to figure it out alone. If this helped you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple explanations about insurance, law, and everything in between. Stay safe, stay informed, and as always,